Today, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to use your laptop as a screen for your desktop PC. No cables, no HDMI, no mess. Most people try to plug in an HDMI cable and it just doesn't work. That is because laptops cannot receive video input. But don't worry, I'll show you a method that works every time. Install SpaceDesk DRIVER on your desktop PC. Open your preferred web browser and go to SpaceDesk.net. In the website, simply scroll down to download the driver for your Windows primary machine. Choose your OS version and click Download. When the download completes, open the executable file and simply follow the installation process. Accept the user licensing agreement to proceed. An option will be provided to choose the destination folder where the program will be installed. The default is just fine. Allow firewall access and click Next. Now click Install to begin the process. It does not take long, just about few seconds. When done, click Finish. Now we simply have to launch the software. In your Start menu search bar, type SpaceDesk and press Enter to launch it. This tool turns your desktop into a server that can send its screen over your network to any other device, like your laptop. Next, on your laptop, open your preferred web browser and download and install the SpaceDesk VIEWER version. Scroll down and choose your Windows version and simply download it. When the download completes, the app will launch automatically. It will automatically scan your network for any computers running the SpaceDesk driver. You should see your desktop appear in the list. Just click to connect. As soon as the connection is successful, your laptop will instantly switch into viewer mode. And you will notice a small toolbar at the very top of the window. This bar gives you quick access to things like mouse control, keyboard inputs, screen size, and a few extra options that make the connection feel smoother. Before we do anything else, just click once on any folder, icon, or empty space inside the projected desktop. That single click hands full control over to you. From there, everything works exactly as if you were using your desktop's monitor. And just like that, your laptop is a fully functional monitor for your desktop without any cables.